Hello viewers, so this is one of my tanks. As you can see, it has all those moss caves, and I've been thinking to use all of these moss. As you can see, these are some of them are coral moss and some are java moss. These long threads, these these are all java moss. So I've been thinking to use all these moss to make a mossy rock scape. Use lots of lava rocks and attach the moss on those rocks. So I'm going to show you how to make a mossy rock scape. For this, obviously we need a lot of lava rocks. These are red lava rocks. My plan is to put all the lava rock tips on one side, and slowly it will flow down from up there. It will the natural flow down there. Now we are going to attach the moss. So for that, fishing line is the best tool to attach the moss, but I don't have any fishing line with me right now. So what I'm gonna use is what I have in my home. It's a tooth floss. I need a small scissor to cut the fishing line or the tooth floss, in this case a tweezer, and of course the moss. First we see that which side should be up or which side should be at the bottom. So the flat side, obviously it should be at the bottom. Make a very thin layer of moss like this and cover your rock first. Don't worry if it's a bit ugly right now, because once the moss grows it will cover the whole rock. I'm going to show you in later videos how the moss looks. It's better if you put the knot at the bottom part, because that way it will stay below the rock and it will not get loose very easily. So there you go. So I place the rocks like this in my aquarium, and hopefully it will grow within a few weeks.